Hello, what's up everyone? Today we are gonna learn about async wait in JavaScript. So I will open my code editor, Visual Studio Code, and what I have is HTML boilerplate with a script tag, and I also have my browser opened. I'm just gonna drag index.html here and open console. Okay, right now we got a warning because the attribute of script element is empty, and we will solve it in seconds. So I will create async wait.js here. Okay, and then insert this file async await.js here in the index.html. So async wait came as a solution to prevent like then and for to solve this problem, and async wait is created. We don't want .then for several lines, and then we will utilize async await to solve it. So first, same as my video before, I will have this one, a list of players that I have created previously, and then show players here, and function add players. So add players function is just gonna be same as this, but I think I'm just gonna type it. So we will create a new promise and then return it, and not to forget that it can be either resolved or rejected. Create arrow function, and then put set timeout function here, and then I'm gonna append a new player using push function and pass it player, which means we have to pass player here as a parameter as well. Const error equals to false, and then if create an if statement. If error is false, then the promise will be resolved. Else it will be rejected, and give a message that we cannot add a player. Okay, so but basically what it is going to do is, if the promise will be resolved if the error is not true. So this one resolve will call this function. So I'm gonna create a function here. Let's say footballers, and not to forget async, then put await here. I want to add player here, whose name is, okay, let's say his name is Mason Greenwood, and his club is Manchester United. Okay, great. And then I'm not gonna do .then. Instead, I will call show players here. So after a player is added, it will show me players, a list of players in the console. So this will not work. This will not work if we don't call the function, of course. So I'm just gonna call the function here, footballers, and I think it should work. Let's try. Add player is not, oh, I'm sorry, a typo here. I should not put add players because we are adding a single player, so it will not be plural. So let's refresh, and here I have Ronaldo, Messi, Lewandowski, and then Greenwood. Okay, great. So this is an example of async await, but if you look at promise, which I have demonstrated in the previous video, so if you have not seen this video, I will put the link in the description below. So here we can catch the error by putting .catch, but this will not work in async await function. Instead, we can put try and catch. Okay, then I will paste it here. And if it is error, I will just put this console.error and put it error as parameter. Okay, if I run this, it will run successfully because the error is false. If I set it to true, what we will see is cannot add player. So this is how to do error handling in async await. I will just return it to false. So if I run it again, I will have a list of players and Mason Greenwood is added. Okay, that's all for async await. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.